Multitask123.com, the greatest personal productivity breakthrough since the wheel. Go beyond the cloud and enter the multiverse. So what's it all about, Alfie? It's all about project management, task management, content management, file management, multimedia, web publishing, content and file sharing. And it all begins with the Multitask123.com item, the fundamental building block of your personal productivity revolution. Just launch a Super Saver, the easiest and most powerful data entry and content creator on the web, and say goodbye to subfolder hell, because content file organization has been transcended by Multitask123.com's patent-pending cross-referencing process. Every item is the love child of a project and category, organized according to your very own personal logic. And dynamic content integration is fun and easy. Just snag content from all over the web, copy and paste it right into your item. Or with Chrome, Firefox, and Safari Mac, you can just drag them and drop them, baby. Now that's pretty cool. That's not all. Want a cool wallpaper for your item? Just grab a URL from the web. Next thing you know, bam, you've got the coolest, stylish mashup on the web. And be amazed at the scope of integration with Multitask123's very own Cybertram, the browser within the browser. Forget about sharing links and ugly URLs. With Cybertram, you put an entirely fully functional website directly into your Multitask123 masterpiece. And as you can see, you maniac, it really works, too. Now turn that mashup into an instant favorite with Multitask123.com. Just open your heart, maniac, and take another ride on the Cybertrain. This time, you're on the express train to Favoritesville. Give it a unique name, and bam, instant favorite. And as the tram goes round and round, items into favorites, favorites into items. But you ain't just spinning your wheels at destination productivity. Want to mash up your original content? Attach them right into your items and embed them. Got PDFs? Embed them PDQ and take those vacation photos and pop them right into the details. And voila, an instant recollection of your cherished memories. One dynamic web page you can post to your social network. And you can edit them on the fly with our subliminally sophisticated Super Saver. Or grab those cool memories, generate a slick slideshow in the blink of an eye as the Multitask123 Cybertram now takes you on a round trip to publishing madness. That's right, folks. The Multitask Cybertram is now a web publisher. Pick one of our 17 cool, slicked-out styles. Just give your item a name, and boom, launch the publisher, and you are part of the Multitask slideshow experience. And oh my God, your slideshow is now embedded directly into your item. Multitask123 even provides you with a hot link to share that magic with all the special maniacs in your own personal multiverse. Cool content is Multitask123.com's middle name, and it just keeps getting better. Got a need for speed? Productivity on the fly with the right-click menu. You don't even have to highlight the item. Just place that pointer over the item. Right-click, and oh my God, you are dropping science and integrating like never before. Add, edit, share, or even upload those files lickety-split, because with Multitask, the right-click menu is the ultimate in instant productivity. And your files are there right under your item. Or, if you're working on a MacBook and you don't like the right-click menu, just launch it directly from the item grid. And never lose your content with Multitask123 IntelliSense. Type key letters, hit enter, and what was lost is now found. And if you're not sure what you called your item, use multitask filtering by project and category to ignite that spark of memory. And because our brains work tangentially, when you're working on your items, you can easily filter and cross-reference through the projects for powerhouse linear productivity, or filter through the categories for serial multitasking. Now, that's serious multitasking. Don't have a clue where you put something or what you called it? No problem. Multitask has the perfect solution. Our very own detail search, the Verschnizzler. Simply throw in a keyword or two and verschnizzle it. Search the contents of all your items, served up in a simple and efficient list of matching items. Then just simply click on your found item to launch it in the Super Saver for easy editing, or to launch it as a magic mail for cool content sharing, or double click on it and it'll sync it right in the items grid and put you into fuzz-schnizzle mode. Simple, powerful, and oh so effective. Multitask123.com is not just a website. It's a virtual operating system. Organize, view, and manipulate all your content with Multitask 123's Dual Explorer mode. The Items Explorer, ideal for multitasking via content-centric perspective, based upon how you created them. And the File Explorer, when you just want to get down and dirty with all your files and you just don't care where you put them. Use our hot filters to find light content and throw them into your bucket. And you provide the inspiration because we put in the perspiration with easy-to-use technology beyond the cutting edge. Utilize Multitask123.com's shopping cart to multi-select items or files. Click them, rope them, grab them page by page, or even filter them by type and snatch them up all at once to fill up that cart. Then activate the shopping cart filter to increase your efficiency and organic productivity by working with just those select items or files lucky enough to have made the cut. Not sure where to begin? Activate Multitask123.com's powerful filtering system to serve up your items by like attributes. Grab all your urgents and grab all your to-dos so you can blast through them like a multitasking master that asks task management like nobody's business. And once you're done, toss them in your shopping cart and jump the express line to task management heaven. Run a special op and instantly modify and change the attributes on multiple items at once. Just pick which items are ready for change, pick an attribute, and bam, those urgents just went from to-do to done in a simple click. And while you're at it, rate your items. Make them all 5 stars that they are with Multitask123.com. But multi-dimensional manipulation ain't just limited to your items. Let's get your files in the mix, because when you want to copy or move files around, nothing can come close to the pure power of the multiverse. Copy any and all of your files, independent of their associated items, into up to 20 different items simultaneously, because only Multitask123.com defies the fundamental laws of physics by replicating your files throughout the multiverse in a big bang of productivity and jaw-dropping science. And Multitask even lets you know when you've got duplicates in the mix to avoid embarrassing mishaps. Just launch them, and in the blink of an eye, you've just copied all those files into multiple items. And this revolutionary technological breakthrough also enables you to move files as never before. Multitask123.com really harnesses the power of the multiverse so you can move any or all of your files simultaneously into an item, just like that. See how easy it is? Into one from the other. And uploading files is a breeze with any of Multitask123.com's 3 uploaders, using cutting-edge technology tailored to the modern web and providing instant monitoring of progress in real time, so you always know where you stand in the multiverse. But what good is storing all your files if accessing them is hard labor? With Multitask123.com, it's a labor of love. InstaSearch on content type with Multitask123's built-in hot filters. Access them all at once or through the File Explorer mode. And if you love music, you can grab up to 150 of your favorite tunes and launch them with the Multitask123.com multimedia experience. Click the icon and the player opens in a new tab. Kick back and relax in style with random shuffle and infinite loop. And when those pesky digital meteorite songs harsh your mellow, Multitask moves on to the next song. And we don't just serve up your music. No, we provide dynamically linked browser integration. Play your song and let Google or Bing search for web pages, images, videos, interviews, or lyrics while you rock out to your tunage. Social networkers, search for your band on Facebook, MySpace, or Twitter. And the Multitask123 multimedia experience works exactly the same way for your videos. Grab them, launch them, and kick back. Just switch the MP4 WMV mode to disable the search window and explore the galaxy in style. And what lies beyond the galaxy? Why, the multiverse, of course. Created a mashup that's too cool for school? Multitask123.com provides 2 ways to show the world you are the master web publisher. The Mini Mash, a lightweight, hyper-fast loading static web page that blasts the details of your items into the multiverse. Transform that multitask masterpiece into a simple link and send it to your friends. And bam! They can instantly view your details and embedded media content, including your embedded YouTube videos and images, but fully functional, working, embedded websites. Click on it, and the baby works. And that's not all. In the Mini Mash, send them your too cool for school photo slideshows. Or for you heavy hitters, blast them the original, the Multi-Mash. Just snag it from the Super Save, copy and paste it right into your email, and send that link to your maniac friends. And when they get the link, what do they got? They got a fully dynamic web page consisting of all your content. That's right, boys and girls. We've got your pictures. We've got your playlists. We've got everything that you want right here. But that's not all you can do. You can blast that mash to other Multitask123.com maniacs, and they can drop science on the sucker and clone it. That's right. They can clone your content directly into their Multitask123 account. And not just the content. That's right. Multitask123.com and the Multi-Mash allows file sharing. Share your files in a few simple clicks. Just copy them from his account right into your account. And bam, that's true multitasking and file sharing in style. But that's not all. As I told you, the Multi-Mash is dynamic. It's changeable. Go back into that item. So when the little puppy has grown up, what do? Embed new photos of the guy. Update your photo slideshow. That's right. See how he's grown. And what can you do with this? All you gotta do is click save. What does that mean? Well, you sent that link to your maniac friends. All you got to do is update your content. Next time he accesses that link, he's got your latest and greatest content. And Multitask123.com is a proud part of a one world web, as all of your mashes and all of your content can be translated into over 58 languages with Google Translate integrated throughout the multiverse. That's right. They speak Chinese, they speak Greek, they speak Russian, they speak multitask. Because in the multiverse, we're all sharing that productivity and that power. So go beyond the cloud and enter the multiverse with Multitask123.com.